Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, Madison! Dylan! Dude! No. I'm sorry! Oh my gosh! Yes! Why did you say? I didn't. Oh. I almost slid on butter.
Did you get everything out from behind there?
Oh wait!
Well, you gotta go the other way, probably. There you go.
Oh my.
Got a GED.
What's GED, Mama?
A good enough diploma.
No, it's not.
That's what it is, isn't it?
It's a general education diploma.
Go, Blake, go, go, there you go, I told you. Mark, set, go.
Mom, you okay?
Yes. This is the video of the day.
This is a bad video.
Nope. Outside. Take it outside. Now. Bad. Outside. You're gonna. Outside. You take it outside.
Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Watch the meat.
This way. It's this way.
Yes. It is. Okay.
Come on, you ready?
Yeah,
Come on,
I got this.
come on.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
All right.
Yep.
All right then.
You're done.
Just stand up.
I am.
No, you're not.
Shut up. Don't tell me what to do.
And kick it.
It's
As hard as
really
you
hard.
can.
You're gonna break your leg.
No, you're not. You're gonna kick the broom. Just do it. 1, 2, 3.
Get off.
Did you get your tail?
You actually get it?
Yeah, he got his tail. Ready?
Okay. Okay. Oh! Oh!
Aha, I finally left. Okay, go, go. Oh, oh, wait.
Get him, Pose. Bring you.
Get him, Pose. Get him. Tell him. It's your Bobby. Oh.
Come on.
My darling, you. Shut up, Mittens.
Wait.
Oh gosh.
Happy birthday.
Did you see her push?
I'm gonna be in a bad spot.